come on. I got it. As soon as the camera's out. Ah!
Come on.
Not even the sunglasses help.
Chicken Little goes with a slam.
Nah, Chicken Little's gonna hit it like oh, fuck.
Bro, you had it like freaking like 2 minutes ago, and now as soon as the camera gets pulled out,
As soon as the camera gets... As soon as he whips it out, I forget all my knowledge.
Chicken Little going with the slam.
Playing on the fiddle. You know why? Because he just got diddled.
Ooh.
There we go.
Yay, Chicken Little.
There we go.
Let's do it. Come on.
Again?
Yep, again.
Run it back.
Two to make it true.
Two to make it true. Oh, fuck. Ow! No! Oh, shit.
That one was clean. Yeah.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time.